Hello, everyone, and welcome to the new show of Battle for the Light Switch. Was that a good intro? Alright, let me introduce you to everyone. We have Eraser, definitely not BFB Eraser. We have Stapy, a lot of flashlights. Even the host is a flashlight. And we have a mini flashlight. Some of that, some Gorilla Glue, marker, and all of these guys. And yeah, the host and co-host is these guys. So yeah, this is episode 1 of that. Alright, let's go in. Guys, I'm telling you, Led is actually a cat. What do you mean Led's a cat? Trust me, look. Look. Oh my gosh! Oh man, what? Eraser! I told you, I'm not a cat! Oh yeah? Then why did you chase the light?
Alright, contestants. I know I sound a lot like 4 from BFB. Oh, wait.
Alright, this is better. Hello everyone, and welcome to the new show, Battle for the Light Switch. I'm your host, and I'm the co-host. And I have no idea why I sound like X. Hold on. Wait 1 second. You can just skip over this part.
Alright, everyone. We need you all to get into teams of 4.
Well, I mean, there's already 4 of us, so we should just become a team. Yeah, woo! Okay, let's do it.
Wow.
Wow, looks like we already have 1 team. Hey, Eraser, do you want to be on my team? Sure. I want to join. Fine. Well, I guess I'll join. Unless Eraser calls me a cat again. Okay, fine. You're not a cat. Trust me, Led is definitely a cat. Hey, I heard that! Oh, okay, fine. You can just get out of here. Yeah, I will get out of here. Man, she is such an idiot. I would love to be on Eraser and Stapy's team. Wow, looks like we already have another team. Well, we're both markers, so let's both be on a team. Oh yeah. Oh, I would love to join a team that doesn't have a racer on it. I have no idea what you just said, but okay, I guess we're on a team now. Well, I guess we're on a team. Yeah, but there's no more members. What are we ever gonna do?
Well, looks like we're just, wait,
Oh no. No. Sorry guys, I really didn't want this to happen again. Gosh dang it, I wish that this would just stop happening to me. Okay, what's this? It's a whole thingy. Hey, don't forget about me. I'm the hole maker. Cool. So do you like make holes in paper? Yeah, that's literally all that I do. So yeah, I would love to join your guys' team. Oh no. Oh wait. Never mind, I actually don't need you. Alright, I'm on your team, I guess. Alright, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 teams of 4 battling for this light switch. Alright, everyone, let's actually,
Wait. Alright, everyone. Let's now get into the contest.
oh wait, how do I do this? Is this good? Is this good? It looks good. Hi everyone. Alright, the first challenge of the whole show is, find your missing team member. I will get rid of one of your team members like this. Stop. Like this. And you will have to find them. And yes, if you find a different person's team member, it will not count. Okay, whatever. Anyways, let's hide one of your friends. Oh no! Okay, let's combine so we can see better. Where could Lead be? I think I see her. Let's go. Wait, Lead's a girl? I have no idea what you're saying. Here, let me just there, now you can see. Now you can talk. Oh yeah, I knew Lead was a girl for a long time. Like seriously, she was totally a girl. Okay, where's our teammate? No. I'll go find Lady. I'll go find her. Help! Oh wait, I should stop holding the marker. Help! Oh no, my screen might be cracked now. Either way, we found you. All right, your team is safe for the first round.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Oh my gosh, where is Marker and Lead? Ugh. Hey guys, I'm here. Oh wait, I'm upside down. Hey guys, I'm back. Oh crap. Hey guys, I'm back. What's up? What did I miss? Oh, hey, I found her. All right, and another team is safe. No. All right, one more team. All right, these two contestants are still need to be found. Wait, if we're in the same spot then. Oh my gosh, team! What? Oh, hi. Well, looks like this team is gonna have some trouble. Hold on, we haven't figured out names yet. We're the Marker Squad. No. I guess we're the Household Appliances. And we're the Tapers. And I guess we're the Lights. Well, looks like the Lights are up for elimination. Vote one of these guys to be eliminated. And use square brackets. This is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. And use square brackets when voting. All right. All right, everyone. I'll see you next episode. Bye-bye.